Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello Capricorn placements. This is your love reading ngayong buwan ng April. So let's see and check your person, the person on your mind, Capricorn, okay? So, yeah, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga items, yan, okay? So, all available. Message me lang sa akin pong FB page for more info, okay? So, yeah, and again, don't forget po na i-follow, subscribe yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa ilalim sa description box. Okay, nandyan yung link ng dalawa. So, Love Letter and Rescued Animals. So, mga may hilig sa animals dyan, animal lovers. Yeah, meron tayong mga video doon sa isang YouTube. Okay, YouTube channel. So, sa aking kapatid, yung isang yun. Okay? Anyway, thank you sa mga susupport. So, for you Capricorn, let's see the person on your mind. So, who is this? The person on Capricorn's mind. Anong meron sa kanya, Capricorn? Who is this person? Think of your person. Think. O, diba? Anong meron sa kanya? Who is this? Kuha tayong description dito sa taong to. Okay. The Three of Cups. Gusto ka laging kasama nitong taong to, or pwedeng ganoon ka sa kanya. Three of Cups. Sana walang third party involved. Okay? Some of you, you're in a small circle, no? Small circle. Nasa small circle lang kayo ng taong to. Yeah, I think. Some of you have mutual friends. Friendly. Okay. What's with this Three of Cups? The Four of Pentacles in reversed. Water sign and earth sign. Ano tong Four of Pentacles na to? Na naka-reversed. Some of them, they're a giver. Yeah, they're a giver. Iba sa inyo, specific. This is a third party na kailangan mong i-let go. Capricorn. This is a third party na kailangan mo i-let go. So, ano tong Four of Pentacles? Hindi yun para sa lahat ha, pero may nakuha akong ganong energy. Yeah, the World. Strength. Strong connection. Ito yung taong masaya palagi every time na nandyan ka. Okay? Sa tingin ko, hindi ka kayang i-let go ng taong to. I don't know kung meron na kayong label. Some of you, label na lang ang kulang dito. Okay? Pwedeng friend kayo. Kulang na lang label para masabing kayo. Pero hindi pa naibibigay. It's not official. Yeah. They have strong emotions for you. The King of Cups, strength. They're holding back their true emotions for you, I think. Or sabihin nating tago. Tinatago. Parang sa'yo na ready itong taong to, Capricorn. Sa'yo na siya ready. Sa'yo na niya nakikita yung forever. Sa'yo na niya nakikita yung sabihin nating energy about long term or happy ever after. Yeah, as you can see here, the World. Some of you, nakakuha ko ng energy dito na takot siyang mawala ka. Ikaw yung, sabihin natin, napaka-importante mo pagdating sa taong to. Yeah. That's not for all. So, kunin lang kung anong naka-resonate. Pwedeng maging vice versa or flip yung energy. Let's see. Anong meron sa situation, mga Capricorn? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa situation? The Knight of Swords in reverse. Page of Cups. Meron ditong nabuo na emosyon. Like, mabilis. Okay? Merong na-fall. Pero, the Knight of Swords in reverse, for me, that's being inconsistent. Pero, the Page of Cups is here. Somebody's emotion is like fluctuating. Like, ganyan. Page of Swords. Are you dealing with a younger person, Capricorn? What's with this Page of Cups? Some of you are just bored. Again, the Six of Pentacles in reverse. The Wheel of Fortune in reversed. So, sinasabi dito kasi, some of you, yung iba, okay, pwedeng ikaw or siya, hindi pa ganun ka-strong or maybe hindi pa ganun ka-mature enough yung emosyon. I don't know who's who. Maybe ikaw. Okay? The Six of Pentacles, such your energy. Pero sila, ang tingin ko, all in eh. Okay? Meron ditong all in, tas meron naman ditong parang hindi naman ako sure. Like that. So, ang labas nito is sabihin nating parang one-sided or sabihin nating medyo shaky, rocky ang magiging situation. Okay? What is their emotion? Let's see. Tingnan natin. Dito natin malalaman. Ano emosyon ng taong to sa'yo, Capricorn? Their real emotion. Some of you, you're dealing with 2 or 3 people. Kasi ang dami, Capricorn. Ang dami ko nakukuha dito. Some of you, hindi lang iisa ito. Hindi lang siya iisa. Okay? Nakakuha ko ng mga third party involvement. Some of you, kasal kayo nito. Okay? Nilet go ka dahil nagkaroon ng third party. Parang mga ganyang bagay. Pero, ang daming energy. Hanggat maaari, gusto kong mag-focus lang sa iisa. What is their emotion right now for you? Page of Wands. Eight of Wands. Itong taong to, gusto niya magkaroon ng progress sa inyo. Yes, gusto niya magkaroon ng progress. Okay? Some of them, they're willing to wait. Kahit walang kasiguraduhan. They are willing to wait. Meron ditong married. But yeah, this person is willing to wait for you. Yeah, the Star. They're hopeful. They see somebody na pwedeng, the Star. Okay? You have here the Sun. Ang daming tao. Capricorn. I think hindi ko malaman kung gulong-gulo ka na ngayon, Capricorn. sa daming gustong kumunik, may kakonect na yung iba sa inyo, meron pang mga gustong kumunik. Yes. Kumusta ka? Okay. So, they want progress. Okay? Sa inyong dalawa. They want improvement. They want to level things up. Sa inyong dalawa. Sino man to. They're younger. Yeah, they're younger. Their next action, please. Let's see. Their future action. Pagdating sa'yo, Capricorn. The Devil in reverse. Takot itong taong to. Ito this is sabihin nating specific. And this is channeled. Some of you, takot itong taong to na talikuran mo siya. This is you. The Devil in reverse. That's you. Yeah, the Four of Wands. Takot tong taong tong talikuran mo siya. Gusto nila ng forever with you. Okay, the Seven of Cups. Ikaw lang nakikita nito. Yeah. Ikaw lang. They see stability. They see long term with you. Okay? Para tong sumusugal. Para siyang sumusugal sa'yo. Papakitaan ka nito lahat ng sabihin nating tama. Yes. Sa maniwalat ka sa hindi. Lahat tama. It's like, yeah, a green flag. Kailan ba ako nakapag-read ng ganon? Kailan? Comment down below. Tingnan natin. Ano ang potential outcome ninyo ngayong April nitong taong to? The potential outcome. Queen of Swords. This is justice. May energy dito ng justice. This is Libra. That's truth. Okay. What's with that? Queen of Swords. The Eight of Cups. The Moon in reverse. Darating sa punto na sabihin nating maboboard ka dito, Capricorn. You're much, sabihin nating mature sa taong to. Some of you, you're busy. Super. Nakakapagbigay ng kasiyahan sa'yo itong taong to, pero tingin ko sa inyo mga Capricorn, maboboard ka eh. Kasi ang layo ng gap, ang layo ng differences. Kahit sabihin natin, yeah, I don't know, some of you, bored lang talaga sa buhay. Gusto nyo lang ng challenge. Gusto nyo lang ng enjoyment whatsoever. Capricorn. Ha? I think universe is challenging you. Kaya binibigay niya tong mga to sa'yo. Okay. Yeah, the Emperor. This is leveling up, I think. Six of Wands. Six of Swords. Some of you nawawala sa direction, mga Capricorn. Nawawala kayo sa inyong mga direction because of this. I don't know kung talagang naapektuhan ka lang sa mga kung ano nung meron sa ngayon nadala ng taong to. May chance po ha, Capricorn, na pwedeng, yeah, nakakapagbigay ng happiness sa itong taong to, pero hindi kailangan i-settle. Hindi kailangan mag-settle dito. Near green flag, actually. Pero you want, challenges. Some of us, madaling mabored. Some of you. That is why. May nakuha ko ditong energy na nasa isang connection. Sobrang tagal na. Kaya nakakaramdam ng boredom. And then, yes, darating sa puntong ang tawag dyan, papasok sa mga connection para makaramdam ng konting bago. Like that. So, pwedeng itong papasok na to or itong sino man to na nasa connection or nasa energy mo ngayon. They like you. They really like you. They're green flag. Okay, they want stability with you. Ang nakikita ko dito, gusto nila ng improvement with you. Pero, tama ba? Ayun ang tanong ko eh. Tama ba to? Some of you, darating sa punto talagang you will cut them off. Kasi kailangan. Anong mangyayari? Diba? Parang naaawa ako dun sa person. Ako na inaawa dun sa person. Yeah, the Magician in reverse. Anyway. It's up to you. Okay. Binabasa ko lang naman kung anong meron. Anyway. Yung Queen of Swords kanina, that is the truth. Okay? The truth. So, siguro, kung anong meron, they will just go with the flow with you. Kung anong meron, okay, they will hold on like as long as kaya nila, I think. Wala eh. This is green. Green flag. Yeah. Anyway, so let's go na sa Aries through Pisces, sa all signs. Aries through Pisces, so the sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Aries, some of them may judgment ako nakikita. Yeah, this is judgment. May mga sabihin nating tumatakbo sa utak nila. Nasabihin nating tama or pwedeng mali. Okay, pagdating sa'yo. Or maybe ikaw yun. Taurus, they really don't know kung anong meron. I don't know. Some of them, yeah, they know na gusto ka niya pero hindi pwede. Gemini, so si Gemini, open siya sa'yo. Okay? Pero you don't have to trust them. You don't need to trust this Gemini. Marami silang gustong malaman about you. Sa totoo lang. Cancer. So, there is this energy about acceptance with this Cancerian. Nandyan din yung energy about separation. Okay? Leo, they're upset. They're regretting, some of them. Virgo, you have trust issue with this Virgo. Some of them, they want to be open. Like, may mga gusto silang sabihin, pero I don't know if you can trust this Virgo. Libra, they need you. Scorpio, they like you. Attracted. Okay? Physically, they like you. They want relationship with you. Sagittarius, they are manipulator. Capricorn, so I'm seeing here third party involvement. Okay, so a not good situation. There's no cooperation with this Capricorn. So Aquarius, meron ding sabihin nating energy about third parties. So meron din ditong somebody's like pagtalikod or pwedeng ikaw kailangan mo tumalikod sa aqua na to. Pisces. So, si Pisces, pwedeng hindi pa rin totally ending. Ang nangyayari, it's like a pause lang, a break, hindi pa healed. Okay? Yeah, they still love you. King of Cups. Anyway, so there, yun ang aking reading for you. Capricorn placements again, please. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you! Bye!